This is the tire of my 911, and as you can see, I have some piece of metal in it and I needed to plug it up. Now, typically what I would do is I would use these little gooey string things, and basically what you do is you pull this out, you ream it out to make the hole nice, and then you use one of these to press it in. However, the last time I used it, I bent it and almost cut my hand in half. So today, I'm going to try one of these new mushroom plugs to see if this can do the job more efficiently than the old string style. All right, here's a look at everything that comes in this kit. As you can see, it is significantly more advanced than this thing, which also tried to hurt me. Now, the reason that these are supposed to work so much better is because this is the alternative. You literally are taking one of these strips and folding it in half, which doesn't make a perfect circle, which doesn't really make any sense. What these are designed to do is also sit on the inside of the tire, so this way everything is sealed from the inside and you have a perfect circle. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to pull the piece of metal out of the tire, and then we're going to ream it using this tool. All right, so the first step is to take whatever foreign object out of your tire. Then you're going to take the ream tool, looks like this. And this is basically to make the hole nice and smooth. All right, so we're just going to file it down a little bit. Now, when you're doing the reaming, you got to get past this little skinny part up to the thick part, because you're going to need to insert this in just 1 second, and it's not going to fit if you only do the skinny section. All right, so now what you're going to do, you're going to push this little button in the back and this pole is going to pop out. It's kind of like a caulk gun. All right, next you take your little mushroom guy like that. And you go like that, and you got to make sure that you push it in all the way. Then you're going to take that metal cap. You're going to screw it on here just like that. And we're going to insert this into the tire. Okay. Just like this. Then next, what we're going to do is we are going to unscrew this while leaving this in the tire, and a lot of air is going to come out, so it might get a little bit noisy. Then I'm going to thread this onto the end of here. Probably going to work best if I literally just twist it around. Then we're going to inject the mushroom into the tire. Let's make it happen. Woo, that's loud. All right, so now you can pump this up. Okay. And then once it stops, pull up. Look at that. That's so cool. This is actually the first time I've ever used these, so that's actually oddly impressive. So now the instructions say that we take this and you stretch it up until it seats. All right, so basically you feel it like bottom out, and that is awesome. So now the only thing we have to do left is basically just cut this flush, fill the tire back up, and then check it for leaks. Okay. All right, let's spray some soapy water on it and see if we get any bubbles. Not bad. Not a single bubble. Now, I'm sure you guys are curious, because I'm curious what is actually happening inside the tire as we do this repair. So let's get some shots of this tire so we can get the top view and also the underneath. But first, we need a hole.
Hurry, it's leaking.
Just watch out for this next part, Joe.
Oh no, it's leaking. Very violent.
All right, it's mushroom time. There it comes. Woohoo!
Wow.
That was sweet. I'm gonna tension it up a little bit.
Okay.
That's so cool. Now, we're not sponsored or endorsed by this company. I actually have no idea who this company is. Grand Pit Stop, you did a great job. But I can say that this was by far the easiest tire patch that I've ever done, and I feel way more comfortable using this than those little strips because A, this just logically makes more sense because what you're putting in is round and it's also sealing off a larger area inside the tire. And so far it passed our leak test as well. So I feel super confident that this is going to hold, and it's also going to hold up on even something like a 911, although this could work on basically any car on the market. So anyway, that's how easy it is to use these new mushroom style plugs on a tire. I'm gonna start keeping one of these in every single car, especially because most cars these days don't even come with spare tires. This and an air pump are definitely great things to have in your car at all times. The only thing I would recommend having in your car that wasn't included in the kit is something like a set of pliers, because if I was on the side of the road and I had to dig that out, there's no way I could have dug it out with my nail or anything. My name is Brian. Thanks for watching. If you liked our video, give us a thumbs up, make sure to subscribe, and check the links down in the description where you'll find cool tools like this. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.